Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the best pet grooming tools for dogs and cats, including de-shedding brushes, bath scrubbers, and self-cleaning slicker brushes that make grooming easier and more effective. Whether your pet has long or short hair, these tools are perfect for reducing shedding and keeping their coat clean and healthy. Coming in the number 5 is the Bodhi Dog Shampoo Brush. Give your pet a spa-like bath with the Bodhi Dog Shampoo Brush. Make bath time a breeze with the Bodhi Dog Shampoo Brush, designed to gently clean, massage, and pamper your pet. Whether you have a short-haired cat or a long-haired dog, this versatile brush works through tangles and dirt with ease. Its soft rubber bristles provide a soothing massage while helping remove loose fur and dead skin, leaving your pet's coat soft and shiny. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand and doesn't slip, even when wet. Use it with shampoo to build a rich lather that cleans deeply without irritating your pet's skin. Perfect for both wet and dry grooming, this brush turns an ordinary bath into a bonding experience. Backhand index pointing right. Click the link below to get yours on Amazon today. At number 4 is Hansen Pet Grooming Gloves. Say goodbye to messy brushes and hello to the Hansen Pet Grooming Gloves, the award-winning solution for grooming your cats, dogs, and even horses. These patented gloves combine the power of a brush with the comfort of a gentle massage, making grooming a pleasant experience for both you and your pet. The flexible rubber nodules on the palm and fingers effectively remove loose hair, dirt, and dander, while stimulating healthy oils in your pet's coat. Whether wet or dry, the gloves work wonders during bath time or everyday grooming. They're perfect for pets with short or long fur and are even safe for sensitive skin. Backhand index pointing right. Click the link below to shop now on Amazon and upgrade your grooming game. Next, number 3 is the Fuminitor De-Shedding Tool. Fuminitor De-Shedding Tool, the ultimate grooming tool for cats, tired of cat hair on your furniture, clothes, and everywhere else. The Fuminitor De-Shedding Tool is the perfect solution for medium to large cats with short hair. Designed by pet grooming experts, it removes loose hair from the undercoat without damaging your cat's skin or topcoat. The stainless steel edge reaches deep beneath the short topcoat to gently remove the loose, dead hair that causes shedding. Its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable, non-slip grip, making grooming easier and more effective. Plus, the built-in FU ejector button releases collected fur with a single push, keeping cleanup quick and hassle-free. Regular use helps reduce shedding up to 90%, keeping your home cleaner and your cat feeling great. Veterinarians and professional groomers trust. At number 2 is the GoPet's Two-Sided Dematting De-Shedding Comb. GoPet's Two-Sided Dematting De-Shedding Comb. Tackle tangles like a pro. The GoPet's Two-Sided Dematting De-Shedding Comb is a must-have tool for any pet parent looking to maintain a healthy, tangle-free coat. Designed for both dogs and cats, this versatile grooming rake handles everything from light shedding to stubborn mats and tangles. One side features 9 sharp teeth for detangling and removing tough mats, while the other side with 17 rounded teeth works perfectly for thinning and de-shedding. The stainless steel blades are gentle on skin, while the ergonomic, non-slip gel handle ensures comfort during grooming sessions. Great for long, medium, or short-haired pets, this brush not only keeps your furry friend looking good but also promotes better skin health and reduces shedding around your home. And finally, number 1 is the Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush, smart grooming made easy. Keep your furry friend looking their best with the Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush, one of the most popular grooming tools for both dogs and cats. Whether your pet has long or short hair, this brush effectively removes loose hair, tangles, knots, and dirt without irritating their skin. Its fine, bent wire bristles gently penetrate deep into the coat to groom the undercoat without scratching. What makes it a favorite among pet owners is its self-cleaning feature. Simply click the button to retract the bristles and wipe away the collected hair. No mess, no hassle. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment telling us which tool you're going to try, and subscribe to Smart Review Picks for more useful product reviews like this. Check out the links in the description to order your favorite grooming tool directly from Amazon. Stay tuned for more top 5 product lists every week. See you in the next video.